Snap. What's up, boy? What's up with ya? Yeah. I'm on the island each and every day with a different bad bitch. And all she wanna do is chill, smoke a little weed, drink some Ciroc and get naked. That's the life I'm living. Shout out to the real niggas in them prisons. Commissary ass niggas wanna talk, y'all boys don't listen. Niggas get locked up and run they mouth like bitches. Different subject, digits. What's yours looking like? I got 500 in the bank, boy. I'm thinking 23 like Mike. And I'm here to handle this shit like AI. I played the game like a coach, so I watch you lames from my east to my west, and I control whatever goes on in the screen. Snap, boy, holla at me, boy. Snap, boy, holla at me, boy. Holla at me, boy. Holla at me, boy.